So you get pre-approved for a mortgage, you are home shopping, you find the house, you're under contract, it's moving along great. And then one day your lender calls you and says,
"I'm sorry, you blew it. You are no longer approved for this mortgage."
Now your homeownership dreams are crushed and you have to rent. What happened? I'm Natalie Bratton. I'm your Oklahoma ambassador with RE/MAX First. Stick around and I'll share with you 3 things that will ruin your mortgage approval. Hey everybody, I'm Natalie Bratton with RE/MAX First in Oklahoma City. On this site, I show you things to do and beautiful homes, and I give you education on buying and selling real estate in the Oklahoma City metro area. Subscribe to my channel. I post almost weekly, and I love to show you my favorite things in the Oklahoma City metro area. But today, let's talk about mortgage approval. So it's like everybody's worst nightmare.
This is my worst nightmare come true.
So what are the mistakes that people make during this process that ruins their approval and they can no longer buy a house? Let's talk about it. Number 1, don't take out new lines of credit when you are under contract buying a house. So that usually means something big like financing a car, and maybe not large, depending on how tight your pre-approval is. Don't go and open up any new credit cards. Don't go finance your washer and dryer and refrigerator before your home purchase closes, because your approval is based on how much debt you have versus how much available credit you have, and then what your income is.
So if you go and you finance a new car, well, that could completely blow your ratio and you're no longer approved for the loan.
So before you go do something like that, call your lender and talk to them and get their permission. Otherwise, you need to wait until after your home closes to open those new lines of credit. Number 2, for heaven's sake, don't quit your job. Don't change jobs. Don't change your contract with your employer. Don't change your pay structure. Don't change anything to do with your job. Don't suddenly start your own business. If you are changing jobs, then definitely talk to the lender first. It may be something where you end up needing to wait a few months to be able to buy a house. Like, making that kind of big change is a huge part of your pre-approval, and you don't want to do it without talking to your lender. So that's number 2. Number 3, don't move around large sums of money through other accounts, or don't suddenly deposit money, don't suddenly remove money. Everything gets tracked, and the lender's going to notice.
We see everything.
And so you have to write descriptions and verify everything that gets moved. And you better have a good story, and it better be solid and verifiable. Definitely talk to your lender for the right strategy before you do it. So those are the 3 things we see most often: opening new lines of credit, moving large sums of money around, and changing jobs. Those 3 things are what you want to avoid when you are trying to buy a home. With anything, talk to your lender before you do it. If something is questionable, ask your lender if it's going to affect your approval. Keep in communication with your lender about everything you do. Stability is the name of the game. A lender wants to know that you are stable and predictable, that the risk is low with you. So during the home buying process, don't make major changes. They want to see stability and payments made on time, and they don't want new surprises to make them not want to lend you money. I hope those are good tips. So where are you with your home purchase? Have you already hooked up with a lender? Have you already gotten your financing in order? Or are you talking about maybe finding the house first? Hey, I know a great guy, my husband, Chad Bratton. He's able to do loans in Virginia, Washington, Texas, Kansas, Arkansas, Missouri. So if you need a lender, I can refer him. But I also want to know your questions about financing and buying a house, because I've been around a long time. I've seen a lot of stuff. So what are your questions about financing and home buying? give me a call, contact me, or message me here in the comments, and let's talk about it. If you are planning a move, then go to my website, oklahomahomeseller.com. There's a link in the bio that will give you my free home buyer's guide and an Oklahoma City relocation guide. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.